Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths Track 1 section. Really, I am feeling very happy that the way you are sending the messages after finishing your work and after watching the videos. And just I want to tell you a few instructions, just only one or two, not more than that. Okay, children. Immediately after watching the video, that means nearly it is taking time up to 20-25 minutes like that. Means depending upon the video which I have sent. But as soon as I finish sending the video in the group, in 10 minutes I am getting the messages that sir I finished the watching the video. And whenever I am posting any message, that immediately without reading the message, immediately they are calling and asking what to do. I'm not asking to call, just simply you call if you have really doubts. But without reading that message and without reading the instructions given in the video, immediately you are calling and asking me sir what to do. It was very clearly given the information whatever you required on that day. And moreover children, before the video we are sending one message, no? So please first read that. Okay, at least 2-3 minutes. Just go through the instructions what I have given that on that day. Okay, then you go for video. Okay, so like that means you will never get any doubts. So is it clear, children? Now, in the last class means what we discussed about integers. Okay, so in the integers we discussed about natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers. Okay, all these we discussed. Is it clear? Now, today we are going to discuss multiplication of integers. That means even in the last class we discussed about addition and subtraction of integers. There you remembered very clearly, when two or more minuses are there, what to do, children? You all know very well. That is, we have to do two minuses or more minuses are there means we have to add and we have to place negative symbol in the answer. Whereas both are positive, you know what to do. So plus and plus symbol. And one is positive and one is negative. What to do? You have to do subtraction and in the answer you have to place a which symbol is greater. That means which number is greater. Which number is greater, that symbol you have to place it. Okay. Now, don't think that I am not starting the exercises because slowly I am giving one by one sum. Okay. So first you have to know how to do the problem. So if you know the problem, then we can move very fast. Fast in the sense, we can go through the textbook very clearly. Okay. See here. Now today our topic is multiplication of integers. That means before doing the problems of multiplications, first we have to go through these operations. Okay, see here, plus into minus is equals to, plus into minus equals to minus. This one already you learned in 6th standard, but no problem, just I am recollecting once again because most of the people have forgot everything. So plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus equals to minus. Okay, and minus into minus equals to plus, and plus into plus equals to plus. Until unless if you read into from your mouth, until unless you read into symbol, into pronunciation, don't change the symbol because there will a little bit confusion. I'll tell you why also. I'll tell that where you will get a doubt also. So what I am telling very clearly, listen children. When there is an into, only plus into minus. What sir told? Minus. Then only you have to change the symbol. Understood? All will think that 1 plus 1 minus is there. Sir told to do subtraction. Yes, I told you to do subtraction when 1 plus and 1 minus. But did I call it out the into outside now? No, I did not read into. When I read into only, the symbol is going to change. Very clear? Until unless from your mouth word into comes, don't change the symbol at all. Okay. That means don't get confused of addition and subtraction. Okay, multiplication is entirely different basing on addition and subtraction. Okay, now I'll go with one example. See here. Now again you may get doubt. Okay, what to do? So what I am the sums I am teaching now? First explanation. Okay, 1 2 sums I'll explanation. From where I ask it to start, from there you can start in the classwork book. And you all know very well what you all have to write in the classwork book also. I am sending the image, that means pic. Okay, what you all have to write in the day classwork, I am sending the image also. So go through that image, but listen the class. After listening the class only writes classwork. But however I am sending classwork, so don't neglect the video. Okay, because listening is more important than writing. If you know, immediately you can implement. So it is very easy, children. Okay, so listen very carefully. Is it clear now? Here I am giving you one example here, but don't write in any CW. Okay, see here. 2 into 5. That means multiplications I said, no? So 2 into 5, it is 10. Now, minus 4 into minus 5 is equals to how much? Minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. That means this is the word. This is the property. Minus into minus, plus. So you have to write plus. So plus in the starting number, no need to write. So 4 5s are 20. Okay. Next, minus 3 into 2. So you may feel that, so nothing is there. You have to feel here, before the number, no symbol is there, means you have to feel it as a plus. So minus into plus, minus. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Next, 4 into minus 5. If I will give like this also, no problem. That means just I am clarifying all your doubts. Now here nothing is there, plus into minus. Plus into minus what? Minus. 4 5s are 20. Is it clear? Understood? So when you get 2 3 numbers, it's very easy. When you have a big sum, means 2 into 1 into 5 into 6 into 8 into 2 into 2 and some minuses are there. That time also what to do? I'll tell you simple logic. Okay? Don't worry about that. Okay, now listen. Okay children, now here onwards what I am teaching now means, now what sums I am going to teach here, that sums you have to copy it in your CW. Okay? So the first sum, see here, simplify, okay, simplify minus 56 plus minus 34 minus of minus 100. See, not simply writing the question, you have to know how to read the question also. Not simply writing the question, you have to know how to read the question also, because sometimes when a teacher dictates, you may feel into means sometimes, okay, it depends upon the question. Into means there are two ways, either symbol and bracket also will call it as into. Okay, so it depends upon the question. That's why you have to know very clearly what I am reading out. Okay, because you'll read bracket, minus, bracket like that. So it's very, that means not good. Okay, so try to understand even how to read the question also. See here, minus 56 plus of minus, that means bracket here I am reading as a half. Okay, so plus of minus 34 minus of minus means 100, minus of minus 100. Half means you all know into. Okay, half means into. Is it clear? Now see the solution. When you are writing the solution, you have to write again the question. So minus 56 plus of minus 34 minus of minus 100. Okay, now when the question is like this with the brackets, the first thing you have to do, remove the brackets. Okay, the first thing you have to remove the brackets. Then you can simplify very easily. See here, minus 56. Remove the brackets means simply taking and keeping somewhere. Not that. Okay. Just remove the brackets. Sir told to remove. No. So taking those brackets and keeping somewhere. Not like that. See here, one rule we have to follow. So plus bracket means what I told? Into. So plus into minus. Minus. See now symbol changed. Okay. Plus into minus. Minus. Plus into. Because bracket I told you to have to read it as into. Off. So plus into minus. Minus. See. Now plus into minus. Minus. Now it became minus 34. Now minus into minus. Plus. Minus into minus. Plus 100. Okay. Now again from here onwards you know already what I told you before. Same model. Now here minus 56, here minus 36. Minus 56 minus 34, sorry, minus 56 minus 34. Both are negative. Both are negative means both are minus. So what to do? You have to do addition. So 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 left. 6 plus 3, 9. So 90. Now both are minus. We have to add and we have to write minus symbol. Now plus 100. Okay. Is it clear? Now plus 100. Now what happened here? 1 plus and 1 minus. Now again 1 plus and 1 minus. What sir told to do 1 plus and 1 minus? Subtraction. So 100 minus 90, 10. 100 minus 90 is 10. Now which symbol I have to place for 10? Plus. So no need to write because 100 is big. Okay. That means 90 and 100. So 100 is greater than 90. So that's why you have to place a plus symbol for 10. Okay children. This one we have to write in your notes. Okay. Now this is the second question. See here. I wrote there simplify. Here I wrote solve. Both meanings are same. Okay. So solve means we have to solve this problem. Okay. See here. First write solution. Write question first. Minus 55 plus of minus 35 plus 45 plus 55. Okay. Now see here. Minus 55 plus into minus. Minus 35 plus 45 plus 55. Okay. Now here I want to tell you one logic. Means logic in the sense is very easy. If you clearly observe in any question, children, if you observe in this question, here the first one is minus 55. The first thing is not only minus 55, minus 35, whatever it may be, you just go through it. So first here minus 55. Search any other number with opposite symbol. That means minus 55. Here it is same number here, but here it is plus. Minus 55 plus 55. That time what will happen, you know, directly you can cancel like this. Why also I tell you. See here, as you all know, minus 55 plus 55. Just I am explaining why we have to cancel those two. Here actually 1 minus and 1 plus. What sir told to do? Minus. 1 minus and 1 plus means we have to do subtraction. So 55 minus 55, 0. That means when you have seen same number with different symbols, same number with different symbols, you can cancel that. That means minus 55 you can cancel like this and plus 55 you can cancel. So what is left now? Minus 35 and plus 45. These two are left. Now again here 1 minus and 1 plus. So 1 minus 1 plus what to do? Subtraction. So 45 minus 35. That means you know how much? 10. Okay. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 3, 10. Now what symbol again? Plus only. Why? Because you have a plus symbol is greater. 45 is greater. Now this one I told you by using the identities means like properties of minus into minus plus plus into minus like that. So that's why I solved these two problems. Now we'll go with multiplications. Okay. Now we'll go with multiplications. Okay. Why you may ask, sir, what is the relation between multiplication? Why you did this sum? As I told you now, just now, plus into minus. We used into no. So for that purpose, I gave you these two examples. So these two examples you have to write in your CW. Okay. Okay, children. Now see here the third question. Minus 5 into minus 3 into 4. Okay. So like this I gave the question. This one also you have to write in your what? Textbook. Classwork. In your CW you can write. Okay. See here. Write first question again. Minus 5 into minus 3 into 4. Okay. Listen properly. Okay. And while I am reading only, just try to write down, children. It's very clear now. So while I am reading the question, if you note down at least while writing the notes, okay, make a habit of like that. Because when you go for high school, like 8th standard, again we cannot give the means. Okay, now the problem is like that. But once school is open, no problem, nothing. You can simply copy from the board. But try to make a habit of writing at least without seeing that pic, means go through the video and start writing. No problem, I am not again sir told like this, I will write like this. Don't again fight with your parents. Okay, just simply I am asking you to try to habitate slowly. Okay, at a time it is highly impossible for everyone. Slowly we have to understand. Okay, now see here. Minus 5 into minus 3 into 4. Now here, now how to remove the brackets here? You may get doubt now. Okay, no problem, no need to remove the brackets. Simply you can do multiplication. Okay, first do multiplication symbols. Here minus into minus. How many minuses are there? 2. Here nothing is there means plus. So minus into minus plus. Plus into plus. Here nothing is there means plus. No, we are feeling how to write plus only. So minus into minus plus. So plus into plus plus. That means plus will come as an answer. But I don't need to write a plus also. No problem. Okay. Now 5 3s are 15. 15 into 4. If you don't know 15 into 4. Go for rougher, okay, and write like this. But here, now we started tables. Now again problem. We started here tables. Now I am telling you, children, daily, okay, daily 2 tables at least. Right from today, at least start 2 3. Today 2 3 table. Up to 15. It is enough. Up to 15. 2 1s are 2. 2 15s are. So daily 2 tables. Tell to your father or mother, okay, or your sister. Please sister, you just ask me. Please brother, you ask me once. Just test my knowledge of tables. You just keep on asking your parents also sometimes. Definitely they are going to helpful for you. Definitely they are going to do that help. Because if you are reading, why will say they will say no to you. Definitely they will do. Okay. So ask, eat your sister's brain or brother's brain. Okay, so ask me this table. Today my sir asked 2 tables to read. So I have finished reading. Just try to ask randomly. Not asking 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 like that simply. Just they'll ask you 2 10s, 3 10s, 3 5s, 3 4s like that. So try to have it at least daily 2 tables or not tablets, tables. Daily 2 tables. Definitely you are going to improve your multiplication, means improve slowly or improving your skills. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay. Now, so this is the answer. Now you may get doubt when I write this question. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 into 5. Sir, this much question is okay, but always we have to write minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus. So hardly 2 3 numbers are there means no problem. But like this always minus are there means you have to read minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus. So waste of time. Okay. So like that if you do, waste of time. So here I will tell you one logic here. Listen very carefully. Okay. I will tell you one logic here. How to write direct answer. See here. Minus 1. Okay. Means here minuses are there. Here odd number. Here minus 1. Here even number. Now in 7th standard you are going to learn exponents and powers. We will call this one as a power. Okay. So in exponents and powers chapter you are going to learn this. But just I am telling you for idea. Here minus 1 power of odd number means always you will get answer minus 1. Minus 1 power even number always you will get a positive 1. Okay. Minus 1 power odd number means minus. Minus 1 power even number means 1. This is exponents and powers chapter. But why just I gave you clue means listen here. 1, 2. Count minuses first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus symbols are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus symbols are there. 4 is even or odd, children? 4 is even or odd? 4 is even. So compulsory you are going to get plus answer only. No negative symbol will come. That means you don't have chance to minus into minus or are told plus. Plus into minus, minus. Again minus into minus plus. Why that much time for taking this much question? So waste of time that one. See here. Is it clear? Once again I am telling you. Okay. See the solution if I write. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 into 5. So you know only first how to multiply the symbols. 1, 2, 3, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus. So answer you know that plus. But I told you no, waste of time multiplying like that. When it is multiplication, just check once how many minus symbols are there. Only symbols, I am not asking numbers, minus symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is an even number. So definitely you will get a positive answer. That means you have to write plus. Plus. So no need to write. So 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 34s are. Like that anything you can do multiplication. That's what I am telling you. If you learn multiplication, that means tables, it is very easy to multiply. Otherwise you can come from like this. 5 4s are 20. 23s are 60, 62s are 120, 121s are 120. So anyway, is it clear? 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Like that. Or 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120, 121s are 120. But what symbol you have to write here? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. But instead of that, I told you no, first count how many minuses are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minuses. 4 is an even number. Then sir told to write plus. That's all. Is it clear? So up to here, you write 4 questions in your CW. Okay. Now all of you take out your textbook, children. Okay, all of you open your diary and textbook. Okay. Maths homework. Okay. You have to write maths homework, children. Take out your diary. Take out your diary and write date 14/06/2021 Monday. Okay. Maths homework. And even I am feeling very happy. So many children are writing in diary and sending also what they are writing in diary. Maths homework. Exercise 1.3. Chapter 1. First Roman full. Okay. First Roman there are up to A, B, C, D, up to J sums. Okay. A to J means A to J sums. Only first Roman. Why I gave only first Roman means completely basing on the topic which I explained. you may get doubt, sir, what say you are not going in the order, you are giving 1.2, 1.1 like that. It's not the order. You have to see that how much concept you understand first, because if you understand these two concepts, we can go in the order. Because in integers, I am telling you, means next we will call it as algebra, in that all these problems. Integers, the basic concept, if you know, everything will be clear in maths. So you can learn and you can do wonders in maths. Okay, children? Because as I told you, once if you do a plus, instead of plus, if you write a minus, what is going to be happen? The whole entire sum is going to get cancelled, and obviously what will get? You will get 0 mark. Okay, so this is why I am telling, why especially I am giving only homework, what I am teaching on the concept only. Okay, once again when you start exercise, that time that will be very easy for you. This is only called revision. Okay, now understood? Exercise 1.3 chapter 1. Okay, shall I write in page number? I think it's better for you. Page number 21. Okay, and soon we have given the workbook also, means practice book. Within okay, as soon as we finish little bit concept, we are going to start that one also. So get ready with those books also, children. I think they have given you book. I'll show you. Shall I show you the book? Wait. This is the book which was given for you. Okay, for mathematics Cordova. Okay, class 7. Is it clear? So practice workbook for mathematics. That is completely basing on NCERT. So get ready with this book so we can practice more sums. Okay, children? Have a nice day, children.